Hi everyone, my name is Phyllis Lee. I'm the Program Administrator for Certi-Fire. Let me tell you who we are and what we do. Certi-Fire is one of the only 2 programs sanctioned by the Ontario Fire Marshal, which accredits certified electricians to do testing and inspections, verifications, alterations, installation, and maintenance of all types of fire alarm systems. The Certi-Fire program has 4 levels of training, and a recertification is required every 5 years to stay current. Except level 5, each level is a mixture of classroom and hands-on shop times, equals to about 40 hours. That is roughly 160 hours to complete all 4 levels. In the fire alarm industry, changes is the only constant because technology and techniques advanced. Ongoing skills training is a necessity to remain competitive in the marketplace. Therefore, Certi-Fire program has been designed for 309A electricians, minimum third-term apprentices with intermediate trade school, and fire alarm technicians who would like to upgrade their skills and knowledge, improve conditions in their current job, or enhance their career opportunities to grow in the fire alarm sector. Their strength in numbers and have proven path to help get results. Certi-Fire will facilitate more qualified, skilled worker being legally able to perform this critical work, especially to achieve proper fire alarm system maintenance and testing in order to prevent tragic fire losses. To achieve continued improvement, Certi-Fire received funding from the Provincial Skills Development Fund through ECAO to enhance its training capabilities in the fire alarm industry. The funding allows us to develop virtual reality certified training lab, where a wearable device allows participants to learn to wire a fire alarm panel. This innovative method of training applies to level 1 of the program. So visit our website for more information, and don't forget to subscribe and follow us on the social media. Thank you everyone. Goodbye.